Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be unboxing and trying on products from the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for February. This month's theme is Send Love. Along with the Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus this month, Ipsy also sent me a few extra goodies from their sister brand Refreshments. This is the new Sparkling Clean Essentials, including the Luxe 5-Blade Razor Kit and Pillowy Shave Cream. This month's Glam Bag is super cute and has a button closure rather than the typical zipper. Let's see what's inside. We have the Onekind Perfectionist Refining Facial, Glamglow Bright Eyes Illuminating Anti-Fatique Eye Cream, Benefit Cosmetics 24-Hour Brow Setter, Love You First Perfect Eyeshadow Duo in Rose Gold and Ivory, and the Bite Beauty Outburst Longwear Lip Stain in Orange Fizz. Now let's see what's inside the Glam Bag Plus. Inside, we have the Dr. Brandt Skincare Hydro Biotic Recovery Sleeping Mask, Beautystat Universal C Skin Refiner, It Cosmetics Heavenly Skin Hugging Brush number 707, About Face Matte Fluid Eyeshadow in Cloned, and the MAC Cream Sheen Lipstick in Sweet Sakura. Now that we've unboxed everything, I want to test out some of the products we received. First, let's do some skincare and apply the Onekind Perfectionist Refining Facial. This is a mask that polishes, purifies, and brightens the skin. It's supposed to get rid of dead skin and leave a healthy glow afterwards. Now that it's been 10 minutes, I'm just removing that, and I did want to just mention that this is a chemical exfoliant, so it contains AHA and BHA, as well as pink clay. Now let's apply the Beautystat Universal C Skin Refiner. This is made with powerful ingredients that work together to increase collagen synthesis, soothe inflamed skin, and brighten an even skin tone. It's supposed to help your skin stay healthy and radiant. I have tried this in the past and I didn't notice too much of a difference. I don't think my skin reacts that much to vitamin C. Next up, let's try the Glamglow Illuminating Eye Cream. This is supposed to be fast absorbing to energize and brighten, as well as super hydrating with hyaluronic acid. Moving on to makeup, we have the Benefit Cosmetics 24-Hour Brow Setter. I already own this and love it, so I'm just using the full-size version that I already have opened. Next, I'm applying my foundation with the It Cosmetics Heavenly Skin Hugging Brush in number 707. I personally prefer using a sponge when applying foundation, but I thought I'd still give it a go. Unfortunately, I would have to agree with a lot of the negative reviews online. It's not firm enough to apply foundation very well. It leaves a lot of streaks, and it holds onto the product. Like, it doesn't deposit it onto my skin. A lot of it's staying in the brush. Honestly, it's pretty disappointing overall for $48. Moving on to the eyes, I'm first testing out the About Face Matte Fluid Eyeshadow in the shade Cloned. This is a new brand by Halsey and a very unique formula as well, so I'm excited to try it out. It's a cream that sets down to be budge proof. It's very thin, so you can achieve a subtle wash of color or a smoky eye. I'm applying it to my crease. I'm blending it out with the Morphe M506 brush, and it's blending so easily. Alright, now I'm dipping into the Love You First Perfect Eyeshadow Duo. I'm applying the matte shade called Ivory along the edge of what we just applied to blend it out. I'm also applying a little bit of this to the lid for an all matte look. Now for the final product, I'm applying the MAC Cream Sheen Lipstick in the shade Sweet Sakura. I really love MAC lipsticks and they're pretty pricey. This one is $19, so it really makes the whole Glam Bag Plus worth it. Here's the finished look using products from both the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for February. I really hope you enjoyed this unboxing and try-on video. Let me know what you loved most about your Ipsy this month in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.